The recurring invoices are packed with features. So one of our favorite parts of the software, let's create a recurring invoice and see what that looks like. A couple different ways to do that. You can click on your recurring invoice tab, click recurring invoice here or in the upper right, or you can use the shortcut here to create a recurring invoice. One of my favorite is I'll create recurring invoices for customers that I've already done business with. So if I'm hosting this website here for $25 a month every single month, and if I already created an invoice for that customer, I can click here and I can just convert to recurring. As soon as I do that, it's going to populate everything here. Maybe I can add a different line item. I can add multiple things. I can edit this, and then I can save it as a recurring invoice. So let's take a look how that works. Here I can say pay upon receipt. Please pay me right away. This is English. We're not going to, make too many changes here because we already did that in settings. I have my payment terms that I can show or client notes if I wish to. I'm not doing any discounts here. So this is $25 a month for web hosting. When do I want to send this invoice? Maybe you're charging the customer on the 1st of the month. So you can say, okay, send it on the 1st, or I want to send it right now because they just started going with us and this will charge them every month the same day. I'm going to charge them monthly and this is infinite. Paying to my bank account is fine. I can click on activate and send. As soon as I do that, it's going to give me that template, activate and send, and boom, I have my recurring invoice profile ready. So if we click on recurring invoices, I'm going to see this profile here and I can click here. I can view it. I can edit this profile. I can view the activity and this has just been created and sent. As soon as the customer invoice, you're going to see a thread of recurring invoice activity right here. I can also pause the profile, but I can do so here as well. So if you're looking at imagine you have 20, 30 different recurring invoice profiles. I can just click here and boom, it's paused. Now over here, I can see that it's monthly. I can see that I sent one invoice. And if I click on that, it's going to open up that invoice that was sent. It's right here. And then under invoices, I can see that this is a recurring invoice. There's going to be this little icon right here. So going back to this, I can see that it was last sent today. My next send date is on the 21st, but it's paused. So I can just click here and boom, active again. So we'll pause that for right now, but recurring invoices is a super powerful and super customizable tool. And we suggest using it as much as you can. And creating them is super simple. I can also go here. I can click on edit. It'll allow me to edit this recurring invoice profile and resave it. And then it's going to continue to send the updated version. So take the time to set up your recurring invoices properly. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks.